Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we are going to explore how to teach English grammar more effectively by combining the two powerful approaches, the use of artificial intelligence and the classic drilling technique. These two methods complement each other beautifully. AI over instant support and endless example, while drilling structural accuracy and automaticity. Let's dive in and see how this combination can transform grammar learning for EFL students. For many UFL learners, grammar often feels like the most intimidating part of learning English. There are many rules, exceptions, and variations, and students sometimes feel overwhelmed or bored. Teachers, on the other hand, face the challenge of explaining concepts clearly, providing enough examples, and giving individual feedback, all within limited class time. This is where technology becomes extremely helpful. AI over quick corrections, instant examples, and personalized feedback. But to keep learning focus and structure, drilling still plays an essential role. When combining these two approaches, create a powerful learning experience. Yeah, AI has opened new doors in language teachings. With tools like chatbot and AI writing assistants, students can receive grammar explanations, sentence models, and corrections anytime they need them. Here are some reasons why AI is so effective in grammar learning. First, AI provides instant feedback. Students can write a sentence and immediately see what's wrong and how to correct it. This saves time and keeps motivations high. Second, AI over unlimited examples. A teacher may prepare 10 sentences, but AI can generate hundreds of variations instantly. Third, AI allows personalized practice. If a student struggles with subject-verb agreement, AI can generate targeted exercise just for that issue. But it's important to remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for teachers. Teachers guide the learning process, ensure students truly understand the grammar concepts, and prevent them from relying on AI without critical thinking. Okay, before AI exists, drilling had already been a cornerstone of language teaching. Drilling helps students internalize patterns through structured repetition. It trains the mind and the tongue to produce correct sentences automatically. There are several types of drills commonly used in EFL classrooms. Repetition drill. The teacher says a sentence and the students repeat it exactly. Substitution drill. Students replace part of sentence based on a cue. Transformations drill. Students change the sentence into another form, such as affirmative to negative or statement to questions. Drills are powerful for developing accuracy, but they can sometimes feel repetitive. This is one reason integrating AI becomes so useful. AI brings variety while drilling keeps the focus on precision. So, how do we combine these two methods in a practical and effective way? Let's go through a simple sequence you can apply in the classroom. First, begin with a clear grammar presentation. Introduce the target structure like the simple present tense with a simple explanation and a few basic examples. 2. Use AI to generate additional examples. Ask the student to use prompts such as "Give me 5 simple present sentences about daily activities." The AI provides examples and students analyze the structure within those sentences. Third, students create their own sentences and get AI feedback. Students write their own version of the sentences and ask the AI to check the grammar. The AI will highlight mistakes and explain why. Fourth, move to drilling for reinforcement. Once students understand the pattern, drilling helps strengthen accuracy. You can use repetitions, substitutions, or transformation drills. AI can generate unlimited practice sentences, so the drill never feels stale. Fifth, group activities supported by AI. For example, students can ask AI to create a short dialogue, then review it for grammar mistakes or perform it aloud. 6. To finish, students write a short paragraph or story that uses the target grammar. They can request feedback from the AI, while the teacher checks their overall understanding. Here are some ready-to-use activities you can apply immediately. Prompt generator, error hunt, dialogue builder, drill booster, speaking plus AI feedback. For the prompt generator, students ask AI for 10 example sentences and rewrite them in their own words. Error hunt. AI creates a paragraphs with intentional grammar mistakes. Students must identify and correct them. Dialogue builder. Students generate a short conversation and practice it in pairs. Drill booster. AI provides word cues and students transform them into correct sentences. Speaking plus AI feedback. Students speak about a topic for 1 minute and let AI transcribe and correct their grammar. We explore a collection of Indonesian prompts that students or teachers can use to interact with the AI. These prompts help them learn simple present more effectively. We look at how these prompts turn into real classroom activities that enhance practice, engagement, and fluency. Throughout the explanation, I will show why these prompts matter, how they support cognitive development, and how you as a teacher can guide your students to use them thoughtfully. So, let's begin. Asking for example sentences. One of the most basic but powerful things students can do is ask the AI for example sentences. Prompts such as, tolong berikan 5 contoh kalimat simple present tentang kegiatan sehari-hari. When students see examples, something important happens. Their brains begin to notice patterns. They don't just memorize rules, they see how English works in real context. For example, they begin to recognize when verb take S, how adverbs of frequency appear, and how sentence order stays consistent. Teachers can also encourage students to ask for example sentences with specific context. For instance, bisa buatkan contoh kalimat simple present untuk menggambarkan rutinitas pagi. This allows students to see grammar linked with real-life situations, making the learning much more meaningful. Asking for grammar explanations. Students often struggle with grammar rules because textbooks sometimes use complicated terms. AI can simplify this instantly. Prompts like, apa aturan dasar simple present? Give students a clear foundation. Another useful prompt is, kapan harus memakai S pada kata kerja? The AI usually explains in a friendly step-by-step way, helping students develop confidence with the rules. What makes this powerful is that students can ask the same questions repeatedly, in different forms, and the AI never gets tired. It keeps giving new explanation until the student fully understand. This personalization is something traditional classrooms often cannot provide because of time limitations. Asking AI to analyze or correct sentences. This is one of the most important uses of AI for grammar learning. Students often make errors but don't fully understand what is wrong or why it is wrong. By asking the AI to check their sentences, they get instant clarification. For example, the prompt, tolong cek kalimat saya ini. She go to school every day. Helps the AI identify errors and give a correct version. Students can also ask, apakah kalimat ini sudah benar? They is happy today. The AI not only corrects the sentence, but also gives explanations about agreement, word choice, or spelling. This kind of immediate feedback keeps the learning cycle active. Students can experiment, test their ideas, make mistakes, fix them, and grow. Moreover, this process builds metacognitive awareness. Students become more conscious of their learning process. Requesting extra practice. When students understand a grammar rule, they still need consistent practice to internalize it. AI can generate unlimited exercises. For example, tolong buatkan 10 soal latihan simple present dengan jawabannya. Teachers can choose whether students get multiple choice, fill in the blanks, or transformation exercises. Transformation practice is especially effective for drilling. Bisa buatkan latihan mengubah kalimat dari positif ke negatif. What makes AI-generated exercises special is that they respond instantly to the student's ability. If a student finds the exercise too easy, they can ask for harder ones. If students make mistakes, they can ask for the explanations. This ensures the practice remains challenging but achievable. Asking about differences between grammar forms. Grammar learning becomes richer when students compare similar grammar forms. A simple prompt like, apa perbedaan I am going to dan I will? Helps the AI break down the differences in intention, prediction, or planning. These comparative explanations help students refine their understanding and choose the correct patterns during communication. Teachers can also push students to give their own examples after reading the explanations, turning passive learning into active use. Asking AI to create wrong sentences. Another interesting strategy is to intentionally ask the AI to produce mistakes. For example, buatkan paragraf pendek dengan 5 kesalahan grammar. Students then try to identify and correct those errors. This is not only engaging, but it trains critical thinking. Students begin to look at language with more attention to detail, and they start recognizing typical mistakes that learners commonly make. This activity also strengthens editing skill, something many students rarely practice. Requesting simple or beginner-friendly explanations. For students who struggle with grammar, teachers can guide them to ask for simpler explanations. Prompts such as, jelaskan simple present dengan cara sederhana. AI can break the explanation into smaller pieces. Use simple vocabulary or illustrate concepts through examples. This makes grammar feel less intimidating. Over time, students gradually move from simple explanations to more complex ones at their own pace. So far, we have focused on how AI helps students understand grammar and receive feedback. Now, let's explore how these prompts become interactive classroom activities that boost participation and fluency. Practical classroom activities using AI and drilling. Prompt generator. In this activity, students use AI to generate examples or sentence sets. For example, tolong buatkan 10 contoh kalimat simple present tentang rutinitas. Once students receive the list, teachers can assign different tasks. Students rewrite the sentences using different subjects. Students expand the sentences by adding details. Students discuss which sentences describe their own routines. This is a great warm-up or introduction to a new pattern. It also helps the teacher quickly check what students understand. Error hunt for grammar mistake search. Error hunt is always fun for students. Teachers can request a paragraph with intentional mistakes. Tolong buatkan paragraf pendek yang mengandung 5 kesalahan grammar. Students then work in pairs or groups to find and correct the mistakes. This encourages collaborations, careful reading, and analytical thinking. Teachers can extend the activity. Ask students to explain why the sentence is wrong. Ask students to create their own incorrect paragraph for another group. And then, turn the activity into a small competition. The goal is not just to fix errors, but to build awareness of correct forms. Dialogue Builder. Dialogues help students connect grammar with real communication. A usual prompt is, tolong buatkan dialog pendek tentang kegiatan pagi hari menggunakan simple present. Students can then read, role-play, or modify the dialogue. Teachers can extend this activity. First, students change the context using the grammar or the same grammar. And then, students add additional lines to the dialogue. Then, students act out the dialogue to practice pronunciation and intonation. This makes grammar feel alive, not just something in a textbook. Drill Booster. Drilling is still one of the most effective ways to build automaticity in grammar. AI helps generate endless inputs. For example, students can ask, berikan 10 kata kerja bentuk dasar untuk saya ubah ke simple present. The teacher can then give commands such as make all of them negative or turn all of them into questions or make sentences with frequency adverbs. This strengthens accuracy and fluency at the same time. Speaking plus AI feedback. For speaking practice, students can describe their routines orally. Then they write down what they said and ask the AI to check the grammar using. Tolong periksa grammar pada paragraf speaking saya berikut ini. This creates a cycle. Students speak, students write, AI give corrections, students revise, and then teacher evaluates final accuracy. Students feel more confident because they receive feedback before presenting to the class. With the right prompts, AI becomes a powerful learning partner. It helps students understand grammar patterns, receive immediate feedback, and practice continuously. At the same time, teachers remain central. They design the learning goals, guide student activities, and helps learners interpret the AI's output critically. AI does not replace teachers. It strengthens what teachers can do. By combining AI with drilling techniques, we create a learning environment where students learn grammar more naturally, more confidently, and with more motivation. By combining AI tools with drilling techniques, grammar lessons become more engaging, more efficient, and more personalized. Students get the benefit of instant correction, rich examples, and plenty of practice, while teachers maintain structure and control over the learning process. Try incorporating these ideas into your teachings and see how they enhance your students' mastery of English grammar. Thanks for watching and see you in the next educational video.